Today we're doing Meow, which is a very easy Linux machine. First question here is, what does the acronym VM stand for? It stands for Virtual Machine, which is what I use to host my Kali Linux on, and I recommend everyone does the same because it's a lot faster than using the Pawnbox HTB provide. Virtual Machine. What tool do we use to interact with the operating system in order to issue commands via the command line, such as the one to start our VPN connection? It's also known as a console or shell terminal. Terminal is basically just this thing where you type commands like ls, pwd, and yeah. What service do we use to perform what service do we use to form our VPN connection into HTB Labs? And we use OpenVPN, which is this thing right here. It allows us to connect to the internal network and do labs. What tool do we use to test our connection to the target with the ICMP echo request? That tool is ping. Ping. What this does is it basically allows us to throw a hello and see if we get a hello back. It's a nice way to see if the VPN connection actually works before you do any actual enumeration or scans. Okay. What tool do we use to test our... Yeah, never mind. Let's see. What is the name of the most common tool for finding open ports on a target? The most common tool is nmap. We just do nmap. I usually do SV for version number, and then we do SC for basic scripts. What it does, it basically, it tells us the version of what is running if nmap can recognize it, and it also does basic scripts like seeing if it's vulnerable. But it's really basic. It doesn't do anything intrusive. So it's nice to always do that as well. That went pretty quick. Open ports. Telnet on port 23. The version thingy, the SV, is what tells us that we get that we have telnet, and the script didn't really do anything. So nmap. What service do we identify? Telnet. What username is able to log in? You can do telnet. Basic username is root, which is the administrator, so we can test that. And we're logged in as root. It's pretty simple. We get flag.txt. Flag.txt is the format you get your flags in on starting point. If you're doing normal machines, you get a user.txt and you get root.txt. Roots. So thank you for watching. That was Meow.